In this video, I'll show you how you can control your PlayStation 4 with your Samsung remote control for your TV. You might want to do this because you like playing videos on your PS4. So keep watching to find out more. Despite what else you may have heard on YouTube, it's all to do with where you plug in that HDMI. At the back of your TV, you should see a HDMI ARC connector. So it looks just like an ordinary HDMI, except for it's going to be labeled ARC. On your Samsung Smart TV, go to Settings, and in Settings look for AnyNet HDMI CEC and make sure it's switched on. Now on your PlayStation 4, go to Settings, System, and then make sure this checkbox is checked. Enable HDMI. So if I jump to the stations, you can see the PlayStation 4 is there. And if I go to Tools, it gives information, refresh, but it's there. And it's to do with which HDMI slot you put it in. Once you have it connected, you can then start using your Samsung controller. And here, look, you can see that it's moving across. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, maybe share, and come and check out my other videos.